Let's look at an example of drawing a circle in our CourseArc package. So the big idea to graph a circle, we need to identify the center and then we need to identify the radius. Now if we were plotting this by hand, we would get the center and then we would need to probably plot multiple points around the circle just to help us sketch it out. But using CourseArc or a tool like MyOpenMath, it's a little nicer than that. We only need the center and one additional point. So let me demonstrate how to do that. So here is our equation, x plus 5 squared plus y minus 3 squared equals 16. Let's identify the center. Well, remember our equation is x minus h, y minus k. So the signs of our center are backwards, they're opposite of what we see here. So negative 5, positive 3 is my center. So negative 5, positive 3. Let's go identify that. So there's negative 5, positive 3. And I'm going to click right there. That's the center of our circle. Now let's find the radius. So remember in our equation, this number over here is r squared. So it's this radius squared. To get the radius, we just need to take the square root of this. So in this case, it's a nice one, and the ones that we work with in this introductory class will be nice. If they weren't, if it was some decimal graphing, it's a little trickier. You have to approximate, but we'll have nice ones. Square root of 16 happens to be 4. So from our center, let's just count out 4. You can either go right, left, up, or down. It doesn't matter. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Click, and it will generate the circle for you. Again, if we were doing this by hand, we'd probably want to do a point up here, probably do a point over here, do a point down here, just to guide us so we could sketch that in. But there's our circle. Let's go ahead and check ourselves. And we get the green check mark, which indicates that we've graphed it correctly. Of course, if you haven't, it'll give you a different color there. You can reset it, try it again. Very nice to practice graphing. Identify the center, identify the radius, sketch that circle. Of course, as always, if you have any questions, please reach out to your instructor.